The Bombardier Callenger 300 is a 3,100 nmi, 5,700 kilometers, range business jet made by Bombardier Aerospace. Announced at the 1999 Paris Air Show, it made its maiden flight on August 14, 2001, received its Canadian type approval on May 31, 2003 and was introduced on January 8, 2004. The Callenger 350 is a slightly improved 3,200 nmi, 5,900 kilometers, range variant which first flew on March 2, 2013 and was approved on June 11, 2014. Around 450 Callenger 300 have been delivered, and 350 Callenger 350. Bombardier unveiled the Callenger 3500 at an event in Montreal on September 14, 2021 which builds on the Callenger 300/350. 16, the 3500 will feature improvements such as auto throttles and an upgraded cabin. The new name will also bring the Callenger 3500 in line with Bombardier's global nomenclature. Bombardier anticipates deliveries of the Callenger 3500 the second half of 2022 and will carry a price tag of $26.7 million, which is the same as the current Callenger 350.